Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Robin, and if you're returning, thank you so much for watching today's video. So it is currently Wednesday. It's also like 10 to 7, and I don't know why I'm starting a vlog at this time, but I am. Today basically was just a lot of editing. I edited 2 videos, uploaded 2 videos, made the thumbnails, scheduled them. One is my camping vlog and one is just a few days in my life, I guess. And I have 2 more left to edit. I have, just 2 more vlogs left to edit, and then this is another one, but I'm trying to catch up and upload regularly again, so that's the goal. Anyway, as I said, I edited videos, and then I did some packing because I'm going away this weekend. I think I'm gonna vlog it. We'll see, I'll try my best. Anyways, right now I'm making dinner and dessert, and I'm gonna let that cook while I shower, but let me show you. So for dessert, I have some apple crisp. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Gluten-free, of course. And then for dinner, I'm just gonna make chicken fajitas. I haven't put this in yet, obviously, but it's chicken. The chicken is already cooked. I just want it to get golden. But it's chicken, pepper, onion, and then I just put olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of pepper and red pepper flakes. And then I'm gonna use these organic corn tortillas, gluten-free of course, and then I'm gonna just put like some pesto and taco sauce on it and call that my fajitas. So I'll have a couple of these, and then I will have my apple crumble, and then that will be, oh my gosh, that will be dinner. I hope my phone stays here. So then that will be dinner, and yeah, so right now I'm gonna shower. I want to say I didn't do much today, but I actually did. I feel productive but not at the same time because I didn't leave my house, but I did my workout as planned. It was an upper body day, absolutely killed my upper body. I uploaded and edited 2 videos, 2 thumbnails. I started packing. Honestly, I'm not done yet. I still have to finish. I have to, like, I packed all my clothes, but I have to do everything else. And I have apple crisp and fajitas, and I'm gonna go shower. So yeah. And then, as you guys know, I love my cozy living space. So I think I showed you guys, but I got these 2 gourds here. This one's so cool. Why is my camera all... Anyway, yeah, this gourd is so cool. Never seen anything like it. And then, well, I guess that's the idea of gourds. And then this one, which is also really cool. But I think when I showed you guys my setup, I had these pumpkins already, I think. Now we've added in some scarecrows and my living room, set it up, and now I'm gonna go shower. Hey guys, so I have just been sitting here editing for the last 30 minutes to an hour. I'm not really sure, I lost track of time, but I'm editing my Niagara Falls vlog from like a month ago. I'm really behind in editing. I have like 4 videos to edit, including this one. But it's good because I have a lot of content coming. And I think I'm gonna film this weekend, which is the Niagara Falls trip. I probably will, but right now I'm editing this vlog. A little sneak peek of the vlog. Honestly, it's gonna be a good one, I think. And also, by the time that you're watching this vlog, a week in my life, or I think it was a few days in my life, is up on my channel, and so is my camping trip from the end of the summer. It's up on my channel as well. And by the time you're watching this, my Cuba vlog will be up too, and so will probably this Niagara Falls vlog. There's just a lot coming. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss anything, because I'm also thinking of doing Vlogmas. So just make sure you're subscribed because a lot of content is coming your way. I'm gonna be vlogging a lot more now because I'm really enjoying the whole editing process. I'm honestly enjoying all of it. So also my coffee, I'm still finishing it. It's just a Americano that I made with a double shot. And yeah, so I'm gonna finish editing this vlog. Okay, video is uploading. It's this one right here, weekend in Niagara Falls. I've been loving my new thumbnails also. So this is the one. So this is the one here. This is the template. So I've just put like the title in the middle and then these little leaves and then added 6 photos instead of 3. And I just love the template. So this one is for the weekend in Niagara Falls, and then this one is the camping weekend template, and then this one is the few days in my life. So I've just been loving my new templates, but anyways, this one is uploading now, and I've pre-scheduled it for Monday at 9, and then the camping one is pre-scheduled for Friday at 9. And then this one is not scheduled yet, but I think I should just schedule it maybe for like Wednesday at 9. I'm liking to schedule them and then not have to worry, but I think my new upload schedule is going to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I have 3 here. So the Niagara Falls one is going to be Monday, the camping one is going to be tomorrow, which is a Friday, and then the other one could be on Wednesday. And then I need one for next Friday, so I'll have to get back to editing next week. Because if I go over to my photos here, then I can see that I have my Cuba vlog is the one after the Niagara vlog, because that was at the end of September, which I think now it's like a week or 2 ago. My Cuba vlog is right after the Niagara vlog, and then after that is I think it's a week in my life of like resetting after vacation and travel and getting back into a routine. And then I have this vlog that I'm just doing now, which is like a few days in my life or a week in my life or something. Or it's like, you know what, beginning of the weekend, because this vlog is going to drag into the Niagara vlog. So these few clips are probably going to just be part of the Niagara vlog, or maybe it's a productive day in my life. I don't know. I just vlog and then come up with the vlog idea after, when I'm like, oh, I have enough content that day to make a whole vlog, or I don't have enough, so we're just gonna group it into the weekend. But anyway, that's that. I am starving right now, so I'm gonna find something to eat. Okay guys, so I am currently, you can't see my face, getting ready to go on a walk right now. My evening walk with my dog. Oh my gosh, I'm putting on my socks and I'm literally falling over. It is 20 after 5 right now, and let me show you guys what I am wearing. I need to show it in the mirror out here because mine does not justify. So don't mind the sticker, my nephew put that there when he was here, but well, actually I put it down there. Anyway, I'm wearing this jacket, which is from Nike, super cute, and then this sweater is from H&M. Jeans are Garage, and then I'm just gonna wear a pair of sneakers. And I don't think I'm gonna bring a bag, and I don't know why, but this piece of hair is sticking out and it's being really obnoxious, and it's also making me be a very bad camera person. So yep, okay, on our way out, let's go. Hey guys, so I just came out to the store because I realized that I didn't have any meat for dinner. So I just came out to the grocery store to get some meat for dinner. And I did bring Mr. Max here. Say hi! And yeah, then I'll be going home shortly and I have to finish packing. I definitely have been slacking off on that, so. And then make dinner, and I'm just so tired. I don't know why. I'm really tired today. And then I just need to relax and zen out. Hey guys, so it is the day that I leave, so I'm just getting ready and finishing packing up my stuff, and then I'm going to load it in the car, and then I have to stop at the bank and go to Starbucks on my way. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take you guys along for part of the weekend and see what we get up to. Okay guys, I am all ready now. I switched over my watch strap to this one. Cute. I'm wearing this black sweater. I'm gonna do like OOT. Right, the best is to do it black sweater, and then I'm wearing these black jeans, basic, and then jewelry. I just have this bracelet here, this one, Apple Watch with that other strap, and then my rings. I just have these two and these two, and then I do have a necklace. It is tucked in there, and that's my outfit. When I get there tonight, I'm gonna do sushi night. So we're gonna get there and check into the hotel and everything, and then do a sushi night, and then probably go to the casino. It is Friday the 13th today, so I believe that there is some superstitious luck. I don't know that I believe in coincidence, so the fact that I'm going this weekend and it's Friday the 13th, I'm like, I really need to gamble today, so that's the plan there. And then I'm also gonna go to Starbucks on my way because it's a buy one get one 50% off thing. And yeah, I don't really know. I have like kind of an idea of when we're gonna do what, but obviously ideas are ideas. They change all the time, so we'll see what ends up happening. I put this cute little Gucci bow in my hair, and it made me feel a lot cuter. So I will talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I just got here. It's so busy here tonight. But basically my mom just went in to check in, and we just got here checking in, and then we're gonna take all of our stuff in and then go for dinner. I am so hungry. I ended up switching over to my Gucci bag because it went with the outfit the best. And then here is my baby, obviously. I think I'm getting more comfortable with vlogging when people are around and watching, which is a good thing if I'm going to be making this my full-time thing, because people are definitely watching me right now. But anyway, that's besides the point. So I'm going to go to dinner, and then I'm going to go to the casino, and I think that's it. Then I'm gonna go back to the room and chill, but it's already like 7:30, so, and I'm so hungry. I didn't eat much today at all, so that I would be hungry for dinner. So yes, we'll see, and hopefully I eat so much at dinner. And yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys a little bit, and I will talk to you all soon. I need a quick, that does nothing for me, a lipstick check, because I've had mine on for quite some time now. I'm just gonna fix up with my YSL Voluptuous Shine. and call it a day. And yeah. Also guys, we're gonna be staying at the Crown Plaza. So this here is the Casino Niagara Hard Rock Cafe. America is right over there, so we're pretty borderline. And then the hotel is back there. I haven't been in the hotel yet, so I don't really know what it looks like, but I'll give you guys like a tour and a room tour and all of that when I finally get in there. But for now, I just wanted to update you guys a little bit more. Because I am just trying to live in the moment and enjoy my weekend, but I'm vlogging as much as I possibly can. I got ready, slept really late because I got to bed at 4 in the morning. Outfit. And I'm getting ready to go to Starbucks right now and go pick up tickets for a show that we're going to later. Did my hair. It feels so cute today. And yeah, so that's a little plan. I'm gonna vlog as much as I can, but it's gonna be more of a not talking segment, more so than talking segment. Yeah, it's Saturday. Happy Saturday.